In the early hours of 12 June, a catastrophic fire erupted in the Al Mangaf building in southern Kuwait, where approximately 195 migrant workers were residing. Tragically, the blaze claimed the lives of about 40 Indian nationals and left another 50 injured. However, officials have reported a total of 49 fatalities. The fire, which originated in a kitchen, quickly spread throughout the six-story building, leading to devastating consequences. Notably, the building, rented by the construction firm NBTC Group, accommodated predominantly Indian workers from various states. The Kuwaiti authorities have taken action, including the arrest of the building owner, attributing the tragedy to greed. Many workers asleep at the time of the incident faced difficulties escaping, with some resorting to desperate measures, including jumping from the building. The majority of deaths resulted from smoke inhalation. The Indian government, upon learning of the significant impact on its citizens, swiftly offered aid and support to the affected individuals and families. In response to the tragic fire incident, Prime Minister Modi expressed deep sorrow and announced immediate relief measures. He described the event as saddening and extended condolences to those affected. PM Modi also directed a review meeting with top officials, including External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar and National Security Advisor Ajit Doval, to assess the situation and plan further actions. Following the meeting, PM Modi announced ex gratia relief of Rs 2 lakh to the families of the deceased Indian nationals from the PM Relief Fund. Additionally, he instructed Minister of State Kirti Vardhan Singh to travel to Kuwait to oversee the repatriation of mortal remains and provide medical assistance to the injured. Ambassador of India in Kuwait, Adarsh Swaika, visited hospitals where the injured were receiving treatment to ensure they were receiving adequate care. Reports indicated that most patients were in stable condition.